I'll show you how to remove and install an inner door trim panel on a 2005 to 2010 Chrysler 300 or Dodge Magnum. This is similar to other vehicles as well. I'll leave all the tools used in the description below. This video will also help if you're trying to repair other things inside the door panel. In fact, I'll leave some of those repair videos in the description below. Also, if this helps, please subscribe. Let's get started. There are 5 clips here. Get a pointy tip and just lightly push this in. There we go. Again, very important when putting this pin in, you're pushing it in only about 2 millimeters. Very small. Now, if you push in all the way, don't worry, you can always get them out again later. Next, you'll grab a pry bar. This is a door trim pry tool. And you'll just put that behind here and just pop it out. Slowly. There we go. There we go. Next, there is 4 Phillips screws to remove. Next, grab your pick or hook pick, and right here, push that out, and then there will either be one piece here or a piece right here in this case. There we go. Now grab a Phillips screwdriver. That's good. Pull it straight up. I'll show you an up close on the only wire harness in this door panel and remove the unique or different size connector plugs. So don't worry about its position, as they can't be mixed up when reinstalling later. We're going to release them all. This and right here. You just gotta squeeze it and pull it out. See right there. Just kind of push it up and pull it out. This you don't have to really take out the bulb, you just pull it out of the panel. But there is a clip right here if you want to remove it. Pull that out. Try it with the hand. There we go. And then this rod-like piece, just pull it straight up. There we go. And now, so just to reemphasize what we did here, when we pulled it up, the panel, it was hanging on to these clips, 3 of them. So in this case, this one just popped out. And then disengage this, disengage these 3, and pull the light out, and this right here. Very easy to do. Okay, so this is the inner door trim panel and the rest of the door. Just going to show you what I'm going to do. Before I install this, quick little tip. See these little clips right here? Well, there's one there, and that one is not in yet. That might happen when you're taking it off. So all you need to do is pull it down. See that? It slides up and down. Take the pry piece and lightly tap it in. There we go. Put the clips in. This piece will go right under here. This is going to go in here. That hole right here, the rod will go in here, and then I'll push this on. Last piece is the light switch right there. Make sure everything looks good. This piece, of course, will go through here. Once I put this on, I can just line these 3 clips up and push this down, making it much more simpler. Yep, it's in. Start putting the screws in. Gotta release these clips. So while I finish putting these in, let me know in the comments section below if you would like to see other teardowns or fixes on this door. Removing and installing a driver or passenger inner door panel can be easily completed in about 45 minutes if you take your time. So let me know in the comments below if you like this video and specifically that trick on removing the 3 white clips, because I haven't heard anyone else talk about removing those clips, and I find it to be quite important when you put them back on to fully secure the door panel to the actual door. Anyway, let me know below, and please like and subscribe if this helped you. Thank you.